Jim Corbett National Park is situated in which Indian state? The answer is Uttarakhand. Which Indian city is called the Silicon Valley of India? The answer is Bengaluru. Which metal is present in human blood? The answer is iron. The Konark Sun Temple is located in which state? The answer is Odisha. The largest freshwater lake in India is? The answer is Ular Lake. Kathakali dance belongs to which state? The answer is Kerala. Which city is called the City of Festival? The answer is Madurai. When is National Tourism Day is celebrated? The answer is 25th January. What is the national vegetable of India? The answer is pumpkin. Which state produces largest solar power in India? The answer is Rajasthan. Which is the longest river in India? The answer is Ganga. Which is the longest river in South India? The answer is Godavari. Which is the hottest state in India? The answer is Rajasthan. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? The answer is Gujarat. The largest gland in the human body is? The answer is liver. Which of the following gases is the responsible for the greenhouse effect? The answer is carbon dioxide. Which acid does an ant sting possess? The answer is formic acid. Which metal is the best reflector of light? The answer is silver. Which acid is present in vinegar? The answer is acetic acid. The formula of ozone gas is? The answer is O3. Which part of human body is affected by TB? The answer is lungs. Kaziranga National Park is located at which state? The answer is Assam. Among the following materials, which one has the highest electrical resistivity at room temperature? The answer is manganese. First metal coins in India were made of? The answer is silver. Which newspaper was started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak? The answer is Kesari. When GST was introduced in India? The answer is 1st July 2017. Who gave the title Nightingale of India to Sarojini Naidu? The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Which Mughal emperor banned music and dance in his court? The answer is Aurangzeb. At what age did Akbar become the emperor? The answer is 13 years. Hirakud Dam is built on which river? The answer is Mahanadi.